there, Sky! Welcome back to our channel. Yes, oh, it's a beautiful day, huh? Today we will color with cat from Peppa Pig cartoon. Yes, do you like it? Let's get started. Yeah. Rubble. Hello guys. Yeah. Nice to see you again. What's up? What's up? Zoomer. Ooh, Rubble. Ooh, Zoomer. Ooh, Sky. And who am I? Ooh. Haha, Rocky. Yeah, handsome Rocky. Jock. I'm Jock. Nice to see you again. Oh, hello. Pig. Peppa Pig. Blue. We have blue clay, and we will make a cat, a cute cat. Oh, good job. Ooh. Oh, nice. Wow. Blue cat. Yellow. Yellow cat is coming soon. Do you like cat? Oh, I like cats. Oh, nice. Oh, good job. Wow.
He played one, he played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played two, he played knick-knack on my shoe.
Yellow cat. Yes?
Came rolling home. This old man, he played three, he played knick-knack on my knee with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
Green.
This old man, he played four, he played knick-knack on my door with a knick
cat is coming soon. Good job.
This old man, he played five. He played knick-knack on my hive with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played six. He played knick-knack on my sticks with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling
Wow.
home. This old man, he played seven. He played knick-knack up in heaven with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
Wow.
This old man, he played eight. He played knick-knack
Wow.
on my gate with a knick-knack,
Green cat.
paddywhack, give a
Green.
dog a bone. This
Green.
old man came rolling
Green cat. Yeah. I put green cat right here.
This old man, he
Pink.
played nine.
Pink.
He played knick-knack
Pink.
on my spine with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played ten. He played knick-knack once again with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a
Good
dog a
job.
bone. This old man came rolling home.
Wow. 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 Pink. 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 Purple, purple, purple. Yes, now is purple. And a purple cat is coming soon. It's not hard to make a purple cat. Yeah. Good job. Meow. Wow. Purple, purple, purple cat. Yes, purple cat. Good job. Meow, meow. Okay, guys, how many cats do we have right here? Let's count and learn numbers. Yes? Oh, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes? Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5 cats, 5 colorful cats. So beautiful, so cute. That's all for today. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos. Goodbye.